beautiful day, pretty hot outside. Summer is here, bro. Welcome back to Zurich, guys. Hey, I'm with the Lamborghini Euros. What a combo. What is bro doing? What the hell? That Audi is fucked up, bro. Look what's in front of us. Lamborghini Aventador back in town. It's always the same guy. The pretty loud one, Capristo exhaust, Boston wheels. Yeah. Always the same dude. I hear the Revolto. Oh yeah, it's the orange Revolto. I don't know why people hating this car, but I mean, look at it. It's pretty nice. And it sounds nice too. Listen. Not bad at all, bro. God. What the hell? He was still in reverse, bro. He forgot. I have to capture this stuff. Oh, it's a pretty loud one. Oh, he's going to Metropole and bro. Always into Metropole. That's the hot spot. It's pretty loud, bro. You got the Capristo exhaust. Oh, SVJ, guys. Oh, and the McLaren P1. Holy fucking moly. What the hell, bro? Freaking McLaren P1. Watch out. What the hell? Out of nowhere. What a surprise. Wow. Not bad at all. Yeah. So let's find the P1. He will park, I know that. Bing bong. He parked. Yes sir, he's there. Oh my god, guys, look at his beauty. How can you not love this car? I have seen him so many times in Zurich and it never gets old. I mean, it's a freaking McLaren P1. My favorite car out of the Holy Trinity. It's aggressive, rare. Okay, aggressive is maybe the wrong word, but fuck off. It's rare and still feels like it came from the future. A true Holy Trinity legend. In my opinion, it's the most spectacular car out of the Holy Trinity. P1 on the streets, you know it's a good day. This is an undercover cop car in Zurich. The Audi e-tron, that's an undercover cop car. LP580 Huracan with white wheels, AMG. Bro, Zurich is back, guys. I told you, we're back in business and the police is also back. Pulled over. Ah, what a shame. I don't know for what, but yeah, it is what it is. Holiday Pista. That's a beautiful one. Silver with the black stripes. It's 90. Wow, coming in half. Hell yeah. Oh, sending it. Woo-hoo. Bro, we're back, guys. We're back. Look at it. So much traffic. Hey. What the hell, bro? Zurich nights. Oh, BMW. Ferrari A12 GDS. Oh, that motorcycle in the back. Revolto. Hey! Revolto! Wow! That ambient light in the car, damn! And the roll cage in the M3. Not bad. Whoa, he got different wheels. Wow! This one is slightly modified. Sounds good. Mobile! Whoa! Pink! Hell yeah! Goodbye! What the hell, he burned?
I gotta cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom.
750 and an SLS and an AMG GT in the back. Oh, it's 720, but it's freaking loud. What a stealth lineup. That 720 is fucking murdered out. I love that, because these cars are pretty quiet. Listen. Oh, long time no see. I know this SLS. There, guys. Novitec A12, my dear friends. My ears. Holy moly. 3RS in town, but wait for it. Hello. GT3. Wow, that CLS. There you go. White wheels. Very nice. I like that. I like that. We take it. Veyron. That makes sense. Holy moly. Whoa, Aventador SV in town. This is a real bad boy. He got aftermarket wheels. I like that. One hell of an Aventador. Ooh, oh, not too close to the Aventador. Well, he got the Capristo exhaust. Too many people here. He got also a parking ticket. Nothing new. Parking tickets in Zurich are normal. Guys, check that out. He got Brixton wheels on this Turbo S. Now that looks good. H65 G-Wagon. Got not the full exhaust. Oh, it scraped a bit. Oh. Bro, what's that? Oh my god. Is that an Aventador? Competizioni! Oh, off he goes. No sound. Very nice SF90. Yes, sir. I like the Assetto Fiorano. And the carbon wheels, everything. Bro, Barbie mobile in the back. Come on. Help! Oh, that's wild. Bro, where are we? In China or what? Look at the girls group. What the hell? Wow! What's going on?
Oh no, they're coming.
Oh no. What the hell? Bro, that's a dude! Bro, that's a dude! What the hell? Bro, that's a dude. Oh my god. I thought pretty girls are coming. What the hell?
Take it out your ass, bro.
It's not loud, but you got sick wheels on it. Let's check that out. Oh my god. That's crazy. BHPD! What is the police chopper doing? Oh, 3RS. Woo! Lizard green. Not bad, bro. What is the chopper doing? sick. I need this one again. Oh, 54 RS. Lady driven. Okay. Oh, that looks sharp. Liberty Walk M4, guys, in matte black. And he got also the tinted rear light. Yes, sir. Holy. Chrome wheels. Bro, what the hell, bro? What the hell? That's not stock. Holy moly! That's great. Oh my god. The chaos here is real. Oh my god. Wow, wow. Nature doing nature things. Bro, the amount of the traffic here. Watch this. Very nice. Oh, the lightning. Fair weather incoming. Yes, SV Roadster. Very nice. Oh. No sound. Unfortunately. Everyone has to get out. Out on the street. So there's chaos. I think the bus broke down. Again. Come on. Breathe out. And here we go again.